G'day folks, welcome to Steadfast Detailing. So in today's video, we are going to be showing you guys how to do a rinseless wash on a car. And that car could be any car, it doesn't just have to be a Tesla, but here we have this awesome looking 2024 Model 3 Highland in this beautiful red color. Now, rinseless washing is one of the greatest tools you can ever use because it's really practical. It does not require much at all. It's really efficient and quick, and you can literally do it anywhere. Okay, one of the best parts about it is you don't need a hose, you don't need to worry about snow foam, you don't need to worry about 2-bucket wash, 3-bucket wash, etc. All you need is a rinseless wash solution, a whole bunch of microfiber towels, and just 1 bucket. Now, one of the best things is that you can also do it mainly if you're, like, for example, living in an apartment, you don't have access to a hose, or you just want to give the car a quick wash. So check it out, really simple. This is what we're going to do. Now, in terms of wash solution you want to use, well, specifically, we've got McKee's N914, but really any of them will work. So whether you're using Optimum No Rinse or DIY Details, or even Renidor's P&S Absolute, okay? They're all going to work, okay? They each have their own kind of, I guess, nuances, but really, it's going to get the job done. I promise you, this is the most economical way of washing your car. When you combine it with your rinseless wash solution. Now, this stuff is ultra concentrated. The dilution ratio for this is 1 to 256. So 1 mil of this for every 256 mils of water. Okay, that's nuts. Now, I've got my water here, and I usually have this bucket topped up with water, and I also just top it up, and I specifically have water in bottles because this way I know how much water I'm putting in. Okay, if I'm just topping it up with a hose, I don't know how much water is going in there, therefore I'm going to mess up my dilution ratio. So here I have 1.5 liter bottles, and I have 3 bottles that, so that's 4,500 mils. So 4,500 mils of water, divide that by 256. So 1 to 256 dilution ratio. So I'm only going to need about 18 mils of this for 4.5 liters of water. And right inside this bucket, I have a whole bunch of microfiber towels, okay? I keep this stocked up with microfiber. So this is what's gonna happen. Take all your bottles, okay? I just dunk it in. Now I fill this up with 18 mils of rinseless wash solution. Now I specifically use McKee's N914. Okay, there you go, 18 mils. Okay, that's all there is. That's all you need to wash your car. And I can probably get 10 car washes out of whatever I have in here right now. So just mix it up. This whole bucket is just filled with microfiber towels, all primed with solution, ready to wash. I have a pump sprayer, okay? Just a typical ordinary pump sprayer. Now these things aren't too expensive. And same thing here, I have this filled with rinseless wash solution, okay? So same dilution ratio, 1 to 256. Now, I use this to essentially do a pre-soak on the car. So doing a pre-soak on the car, this will help to encapsulate all the dirt. And really, once I actually bring my physical wash mitt, so bringing the microfiber wash mitt to the paint, it's going to help to lift off all that dirt. So they kind of work hand in hand. Now, this is completely optional, but I do recommend it, especially if your car is just a bit more soiled. And also, once again, this doesn't add much time, and it's very economical, very cheap, friendly way to wash your car. So this gives a nice spray pattern. Okay, so go around the car, just douse all the panels, be quite generous and liberal with it, because at the end of the day, this is just going to help you when you're doing your rinseless wash, giving some additional lubrication to the paintwork of the car. So what do you do? How do you actually do a rinseless wash? Dead easy, and I'll show you why it's my favorite way of washing. Okay, so from here, you have lots and lots of microfiber towels now. You can get multiple washes out of this. So get your towel, okay? Notice that right now, your towel only has 2 sides, okay? But if you fold it in half twice, you are actually creating 8 wash surfaces. Okay, 1, 2, unfold it to the other side, 3, 4, and now open it up, go to the opposite side, fold it in half twice again. So folding in half twice again. So we had 4 sides before, now 5th, 6th, okay. Unfold it in half again, and then you have 7th, and that's your 8 surfaces right there. So going through the entire car, okay, really, I probably only need like 5 or 6 of these microfibers to wash the entire car. Okay, that's really, really quick. And you don't have the problem of having the two bucket wash method where you put your towel or your wash mitt back into dirty water, because essentially you are wiping with a brand new and clean side every single time. Okay, that's what's so good about having this rinseless wash method. Okay, you're washing with brand new surfaces every time, and you cannot scratch the car like this. How much of a panel do I wipe with just one side? Okay, watch this. Towel here. Okay, I usually do maybe 2 or 3 swipes of it, and then I flip it over, just like that. Now I can flip it over to two brand new sides again. Go back to a brand new side yet again. Now I've used 4 sides already. Now go to my 5th side, so that's when I'm turning it inside out. And now I'm using the 7th and 8th sides. All right, so there you go, okay? 1 towel, 8 sides, and we've done all of the rear of the car. Okay, that's now perfectly clean. Now, when you get to the glass, you can probably do a few more wipes before you switch sides, because glass is not going to scratch like the paintwork. So you can be a bit more economical yet again when you get to the glass. You can see how dirty the towel actually does get, and that's the beauty of using multiple towels. I'm not going to keep wiping the same panel with this dirty side. I'm going to be flipping over to a cleaner side. Now, when doing the door jambs, I would generally just take a towel. I would wring it out until it's not dry, but when it's damp. And then I will use the damp towel to wipe down the door jambs, just like this. And same thing on the other side as well. Now, with the rinseless wash, you can also do it with wheels as well, but we didn't address the wheels in this video here. Okay, we were just concentrating on the paintwork, so that's the main thing we want to deal with. If you found this video to be helpful, okay, consider subscribing so that we get more content to you out like this, and that way you can stay up to date with all the latest detailing guides that we might be releasing. Cheers.